What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. This video, we're going to do a little bit of lock maintenance. As you can see, I've already washed my hair. I will be touching up my color today. So I'll be using Clairol Beautiful Collection, the moisturizing color in the color Darkest Brown. So this is a semi-permanent color. Fun fact, when I used to do my colors, when I was like a loose natural, and even when I had a relaxer, this is the brand and this is the collection that I will always use. So the reason why I chose Darkest Brown is because I'm only focusing on my roots today. I'm not actually going to be coloring my locks because I didn't feel like it was really necessary, and I'll show you why. If you've been watching some of my latest videos, you will already know that my color is still quite vibrant and pretty much popping. You know, not trying to like toot my own horn, but for real. So let me come a little bit closer. As you can see, my color still looks really good. It doesn't necessarily need a touch up. And the last time I've actually colored my locks is in October. So it's been about, let's see, 6 months. Wow. It's been 6 months since I colored my locks and it still looks really good. But I want to color my roots because I want it to look really fresh. I'm going on a trip in a few days and I really just want my hair to look nice and fresh. And side note and a little secret, don't be telling my business, but your girl has gray hairs. And I'm not talking about one, I'm not talking about two, I'm talking about I have an abundance of gray hairs. So I really want to make sure that my roots look really nice and fresh, but I'll zoom in so you guys can get a closer look. It was really funny. As I was about to zoom in, hold on, move this up. I saw this huge gray strand right here just poking out. Okay, but you see that gray strand? This is like almost everywhere. And so, yeah, that's why I just really want to touch it up. Just want it to look nice and neat, nice and popping, and just very clean, so it can give kind of like an ombre look. So I've colored my hair multiple times on this channel, but this is going to be a little different, mainly because we're only focusing on our roots and because this process really is not going to take that long. So you all just get to sit back, relax. So let's hop into it.
This one I better do. Me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me back out. Big demand way to be back. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know be die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know be die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do my way. Plenty, survive with face. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know be die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know be different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. You like the Paddling, Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate.
All right, so and just like that, we are on to the front. Y'all see how it's just like a really easy application. The color comes in this easy squeeze out bottle. You really don't have to use a bowl if you don't want to. If you do use a bowl, you will most likely use a brush. But yeah, that barely even took like 5 minutes to apply. Okay, and now I'm just kind of like massaging the color into my roots, as y'all can tell. So yeah, easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. But let's go ahead and get on to the front. I think I'm gonna start with the left side.
You are not my mate. If you become a shot, never head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl, ride the whip, I love it, die for nothing.
Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci vibe or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me,
By the way, y'all, we're still on the first bottle. I feel like I have like a third of color left. I might not even need to open the second bottle. All right, we're done with the left side. Now let's do the last section, which is the right side.
my love is your love, baby. If my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterfly in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me. But when I day with you,
I'm making sure I'm getting this middle section right here because that's really where my grays be sprouting. But yeah, y'all see already. I mean, I know it's not going to be as dark. I don't know actually. But I'm already liking the coverage on my roots with how dark it is compared to my locks. So now that the color is applied, you want to take your plastic caps and put it on your hair. I like to use at least 3 or 4, mainly because I have longer hair. I want to make sure that all my locks are tucked into the cap, so that's why I use about 3 or 4. And also it helps with trapping in more of the heat since I'm not sitting under a dryer or anything like that. So the instructions say to let the color sit and process on your hair for about 25 minutes. I usually do about 30 to 35 minutes just to make sure that the color actually takes. And once the time is up, I will go ahead and wash the color out. And then I'll come back so that you all can see the results. Okay, y'all. So I just finished washing out the color. I have not looked at my hair to see like the results yet, so we're gonna get a real reaction. And yeah, as I was washing the color out, I was looking at my locks. I was like, my locks look a little dark. Why do my locks look a little dark? Because I only did my roots. And I know that when you washing it out, the color gonna run through. But, so fingers crossed that it's just really my roots that are dyed. And my locks didn't take on too much of the color because I still want to keep my honey blonde. Let's see. Oh, thank God. Y'all, I was really nervous. Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I can see the difference. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Y'all see how my roots just look? Oh my God, the color just got on my lip. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna move that out the way. I'm doing so much right now. Let me just zoom in manually. Why am I? Okay, anyways, y'all see how my roots are so much darker? This is exactly what I wanted. Yes, it just looks so fresh. Can y'all tell? Hold on, hold on. Yeah. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you, God. Because I did not want to color my locks again. I just didn't want to do that right now. I barely wanted to touch up my roots. I'm just not in the mood for it, being honest. I'm about to retwist my locks right now. This concludes this video. If y'all want to see how I retwist my locks, I'll make sure that I leave a step-by-step tutorial in the description box below so y'all can check it out. But this video was primarily for you all to see how I touch up my roots with the color. And yeah, that's about it. So thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded people. And make sure y'all stay tuned for the upcoming videos, y'all, because I'm traveling. I'm going to be doing a travel, well, I think I'm going to be doing a couple travel vlog or just content overall. So y'all just stay tuned and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Have an amazing week. Bye.